In Katli, you can generate a QR code for any short link. Let me show you how to create and customize a QR code in just a few clicks. Open your Katli dashboard and find the short link you want to use. Click the QR code icon. A side panel will open where you can generate and customize the QR code. Here you can adjust different settings: quality, size, margin, dot style, colors. Okay, let's customize that QR code, color and style. Add image logo. Let's set margin 10. Okay, it looks fine. When the QR code is ready, simply download it. The QR code always points to your short link, so if you change the destination URL later, the QR code will still work. QR codes are perfect for marketing campaigns, printed materials, or product packaging. And you can generate them instantly in Katli. Subscribe and try it yourself at Katli.